everybody, it's Becky. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a clothing haul for you guys. This is actually an affordable little girl's clothing haul. My youngest daughter is 8, and so I've been doing a little bit of fall shopping for her. Now, normally I shop at Kohl's, Old Navy, Children's Place, and sometimes Justice. Not very often. I haven't liked their stuff for years, but for the most part, I find their clothes at Kohl's and Old Navy, both girls. Well, I noticed in particular for my youngest daughter that a lot of the trends at those places are like stuff that I don't like for her to wear or that just is not her style. So there's a lot of plaid coming out right now, which she doesn't like. There's a lot of like a cold shoulder, which I think for an 8-year-old, I personally don't really like on an 8-year-old. And then a lot of the other shirts are like just all the shirts that say stuff. And I don't mind a couple shirts like that, but if every shirt says something, I think it's not my favorite thing to put her in. And a lot of them say stupid stuff like Instagram star or let's take a selfie and just stupid stuff like that. And I'm like, she's 8. She doesn't need a shirt that says let's take a selfie. It's goofy. So I was really struggling to find things for her at my typical places that I like to shop. However, I was at Walmart a little bit ago, and I hate going to Walmart. Oh, by the way, even Target, I don't like their new clothing section. I haven't bought anything for the girls from there in a couple years, just because I don't like the Cat and Jack line as a rule. I don't think the quality is as good as the line they had before. I don't really like a lot of the styles, so Target was kind of out of the picture too. Anyway, back to what I was saying. I hardly ever go to Walmart, maybe once a month, but I just happened to be there. And I went to the little girl section, and they actually had a lot of really cute clothing for fall. So that's what I've got to share with you guys today. So everything in this haul came from Walmart, and everything was $60. So I think it's a really good deal because we got a lot of stuff. We've got all this stuff, and then she got a pair of like little jellies kind of shoes just for church. She got a pair of those as well. So all this and those shoes for $60. So that was a really good deal. And it feels like to me, now we haven't had these, obviously she hasn't worn this stuff, but it seems like to me the quality is really good. Like Walmart shirts in the little kids department I remember used to be like really stiff and kind of scratchy material. This stuff is really soft, so I'm really excited to see how it wears and how long it holds up. But the first thing she got, and this is all, I think pretty much everything except for the jeans are from the Garanimals line, which they've had those forever. This is the 365 Kids by Garanimals. This is just a little shirt, 2 little kittens on the front, and the Garanimals line in particular is meant to be mix and match. So all the shirts are supposed to be able to mix and match with the pants. So it's nice to be able to get one shirt and know that a couple pairs of pants will match. The second shirt she got, and I think really the only other shirt she got, yeah, is this one, and it's like a light, kind of a dusty pink, and it's got a little kitten and a little bunny on the front and says Forever Friends, and so that was really cute, and she liked that. So that's all the shirts. They had, I mean, obviously they had other shirts that matched these pants and stuff, but that was all that we got. And then these are her favorite, and they're absolutely adorable. This to me looks like something you would find at Gymboree. It's just a pair of long navy leggings, but right around the knee, there's this really little cute smiley cat with little purple ears and a little pink heart nose, and they are so cute. So obviously she'll be able to wear this with a pink shirt. They did have a shirt online that was meant to go with these pants, but they did not have it in the store. So we didn't buy the coordinating shirt in these, but these are so super cute. And I told her, I was like, don't crawl around on your knees. You'll ruin these pants. So hopefully she will not crawl around on her knees and be able to wear these for quite a while because they're so cute. Also picked up a pair of pink leggings. Every year, pretty much, I buy a couple of the same leggings just because I know that they're going to be worn and can match so many things. This is actually the Wonder Nation brand. It says Tough Cotton Extra Durable Tag-Free Comfort Leggings. So just a hot pink pair of leggings. So hopefully they will be durable and not get worn out in the knees. Also in that same Wonder Nation line, I got her some like denim jeggings. Well, they're not even denim material. They look like denim, but they're legging material. So I got 2 pairs of these. Same thing. It says the Tough Cotton Extra Durable Legging. She loves these things because they do look like denim jeans, but they are leggings, and so they're really comfortable. So she likes those. So I actually got 2 pairs of those. And then I did get her some jeans. Normally I get her jeans at Children's Place, but I noticed last year when she was wearing the Children's Place size 8 jeans, that they were getting a little tight in the waist, but then the next step up was a 10 and they were way too big. So I know these are 8s, but for some reason they fit different. This is the Wonder Nation skinny jean, size 8 again, but they fit her a lot better. She had a lot more room around the waist, and she had a little bit more room in the length. You know how jeans are for women especially. You'll get 2 pairs of the same jeans and they fit different. So even though they're size 8 and the children's place ones were size 8, these actually had room to grow in both areas, like around and then length. So got 2 pairs of the size 8 Wonder Nation skinny jeans. They were only $7.88. Oh, I should have told you the prices for all this stuff, I guess. So the shirts were, I think they were $3 something. There's no price tag. I don't remember how much the shirts were, but I can tell you how much the leggings are. The leggings are $3.88 for the Wonder Nation leggings. These are $3.88. The ones with the little kittens on the knees, they were $7.97 for these. Another pair of leggings, these are the Wonder Nation. I always get her a pair of animal print leggings every fall because she looks so cute in them, and she likes to wear it with like a pink top or a black top. So many different ways you can dress animal print. So again, animal print this year, and when she gets some black boots, I usually get her some black, like kind of UGG type boots that she can wear. So those will look really cute with these too. And those were also, I think, $3.88. Let me see. Yeah, $3.88 for those. And then I got her another pair of pants. This is the 365 by Garanimals line again. These were $7.97. And these are just like long pink. They look like jeans, or they're like a denim material, but they're a lot more lightweight than a traditional denim. So they look a little bit more comfortable. They have these cute little patches. This one has a little heart on this side, and on this side it says love and has a little bunny and a little crown. And then down here by the knee, it's got this little rainbow and a heart on top of that. And she really liked that, and I thought that would be cute with just a plain white shirt or a pink shirt, or you could even pull the purple out of the rainbow. So I thought that was really cute, and she liked those. And so we picked those up for her. That is everything I picked up from Walmart for my 8-year-old. They had quite a lot of stuff. So if you have a kid that maybe needs some new fall clothes and winter clothes, definitely check out Walmart. I was really impressed because, especially like I said, I had been having trouble finding clothes that I liked for her from Children's Place and Target and Kohl's and places like that where I used to shop for them. Definitely check out Walmart and give it a shot. I'm really curious to see how this stuff holds up because the prices are great and the styles are really cute. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end of this video. If you want to see 2 of my older videos, you can click the links right here. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, if you haven't already, and you definitely should, you can click right here. I upload every single week. I have some links in the description box for some of my favorite stores and products, as well as my P.O. Box address. Check out those links if you're interested in those, and I will see you guys in the next video.